Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SolTradingBot token. Now the SolTradingBot token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the SolTradingBot token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the SolTradingBot token is being listed December 30th at 15 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you would have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search their ticker symbol, which is STBOT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is obviously on the Solana blockchain. They have 4,035 holders already, 9 decimal places on this token. They have a market cap right now of a little bit over $4.33 million. And they have a current supply of 999,603,000 tokens. Now, if you want to find their information, go over to soltradingbot.gitbook.io/docs. SolTradingBot is empowering your Sol trading experience. In the dynamic landscape of decentralized finance, the Solana network and the need for advanced trading solutions has never been more pronounced. Enter SolTradingBot, a groundbreaking platform designed to redefine the way we navigate and execute trades in a decentralized marketplace. So they have a white paper that serves a comprehensive guide to SolTradingBot, detailing its architectural features and the innovative solutions it brings to the ever-evolving world of digital asset trading. From seamless decentralized exchange interactions to cutting-edge market data analysis and the highly anticipated Sniper Monitor feature, SolTradingBot represents a quantum leap in the capabilities of automated trading on Solana. Join us on this journey through the intricacies of SolTradingBot's design, the principles guiding its development, and the vision that propels it forward. As we delve into the technical aspects, strategic roadmaps, and commitment to security and user empowerment, it becomes evident that SolTradingBot isn't just a trading platform, it's a catalyst for change in the decentralized financial landscape. Get ready to explore the future of trading. Get ready for SolTradingBot. Now, they have wallet creation. You can go over the bot instructions here, how to create a wallet, how to use the trading tool, how to use trade checking. They have the Snipe Monitor. Now they have the DEX integration. So SolTradingBot takes decentralized trading to the next level by seamlessly integrating with 3 of Solana's powerhouse decentralized exchanges, Jupiter, Radium, and Orca. This integration is not just a technical connection, it's a strategic approach that empowers traders with unparalleled access to liquidity, diverse trading, token offerings, and optimal trading environments. So the benefits: enhanced liquidity access, diverse token opportunities, multi-decentralized exchange strategy, and seamless execution. The DEX integration feature in SolTradingBot is not just about connecting to exchanges, it's about giving traders a strategic advantage. By integrating with the leading DEX platforms on Solana, SolTradingBot ensures that users can make informed decisions, access liquidity pools, and diversify their portfolios with ease. This feature is a cornerstone of the SolTradingBot ecosystem, providing users with the tools that they need to navigate the decentralized marketplace successfully. They also have the market data analysis that offers real-time data streams, technical indicators, pattern recognition, and sentiment analysis. They also have the Sniper Monitor. Now, this has real-time market surveillance, instant execution, customizable triggers, and risk management integration. So the benefits include precision execution, enhanced profitability, and adaptability to market dynamics. Now, the Sniper Monitor in SolTradingBot provides users with a strategic advantage in the highly competitive and dynamic decentralized financial landscape. By combining real-time market surveillance, instant execution capabilities, and customizable triggers, SolTradingBot empowers users to stay ahead of the market trends and execute trades at a level of precision that was once reserved for institutional traders. They also offer security measures. So they have secure key management, they have regular security audits, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and encryption protocols. Some of the benefits here is asset protection, proactive threat mitigation, and user account security. They also have community and support. So there's forums and discussions that you can join. There's educational webinars, responsive customer support, comprehensive documentation, collective wisdom, and networking opportunities. Now, you can follow some of their socials. So they have a Twitter, and their Twitter is at SolTradingBot. Real easy to find that. Now, they have 26,200 Twitter followers. They just joined in May 2023, so it's a fairly new project. 252 tweets, and a blue verified check mark. And then on their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here, there is a link to, looks like the bots Telegram, and then the discussion Telegram, and then their webpage, SolTradingBot.com. Now, if you go to SolTradingBot on Telegram, there's also 8,647 subscribers. So that's where you can join the discussion. If you want to try to use the bot, like I said, the link is up there as well. Check this token out. It's getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on MEXC Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.